So in today's video, we are going to finalize this seat base. We're going to get it cut to shape. We're going to put the foam on, also get that sculpted. And yeah, it's all coming together. These are the messy but most critical parts of the visuals of the bike. So let's get straight into the video. Right, okay, I am liking where this is going. I've roughed out the shape just to kind of get it on there so there's no snags or anything, and I've started defining the lines because basically I want the foam just to kind of like follow the lines of this hump. I don't know if this gives you an indication of the shape of the seat, but what I'm thinking is it's going to come across here, have a little bit of a dip and come back and meet the tank, and it's just going to be like a singular nice seat. I have still got a load of shaping to do. I need to work out roughly how I want this to sit, how I want this to flow. I need to get the lines straight, but overall I'm super happy and it is a real nice snug fit. I'm going to get the edges all honed in, get all the nice straight lines that we need, and then we can start looking at applying the foam. Exciting times. I've kind of followed the lines with the frame up around here. I don't know if you can see that. And back down this side. And this front end has a real nice line to it. I do need to take it ever so slightly down this side to even it. Actually, no, I think it's just the way it's sitting. But yeah, you get the idea. It's looking real smart. So it's time to move on to the foam now. This will be a little bit tricky just because we have that part we need to cut out from the inside. It's not as easy as just sticking it down and gluing it on. No, we need to actually cut out and make it real precise and then bend it up to suit. And then we can actually start shaping and making it look nice. So let me show you the foam I've chose and we'll go on from there. God, this place is an absolute mess. For the bold would be proud. Ooh. This is the foam right here. It is double layered. I don't even know what you class it as, but the top half is a soft kind of memory foam and the bottom is a kind of a more of a dense kind of foam. I've got enough here for 2 seats, so one for this one for the Suzuki. And yeah, it should conform and shape quite nicely. The actual tool we'll be shaping with is a Stanley blade and this little rasp file here, specifically made for shaping foam. It's only like a $5 off eBay. I'll link it down below if you want one of these to have a go, but I'll let you know how I get on with this. So by now you know what we're all about. Less talking, let's get the seat sorted. So that worked quite nicely, cutting out that section. I thought it'd be quite a pain in the arse, but no, pretty straightforward. It didn't have to be perfect anyway, because the seat base isn't perfect. They're gonna get bonded together, so you're not gonna see any of it. So that's what we're gonna do next. So we're gonna be using this stuff right here. Well, at least trying to. We're gonna spray both surfaces, let them get tacky, stick them together, wrap them up, let it cure, and come back, and hopefully we'll have a bonded surface. There are various ways to achieve the same goal, and this is my preferred method. If it doesn't work, I'll try something else, but there's no harm in having a go. That's what it's all about. So let's get those two pieces bonded. So that wraps up this video. We have the seat foam and the seat base completed, ready for upholster. In the next episode, we're going to start working on the tank and the seat hump. The seat hump is going to be primed in 2-packs so we can actually finalise the shape. The actual tank itself, though, we've got a few dents we want to remove, and then we're going to go and get it powder coated in a powder coat primer. So hopefully that'll give a good finish. As always, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. If you want to stay up to date with these videos and get some behind the scenes action, join us on Patreon. There's so much content, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.